Today is October 20th, 2025. What a better way to celebrate than with a view of this beautiful fall sunset over Anniston, Alabama. It's a very nice night out. It's a little cold though, and a ride on the elevator. There's the elevator. Let's ride it. There's a special guest waiting for us on the first floor. Of course, we all know and love this elevator. We'll watch the buttons and the view through the door. Here we are at A. We're going to watch it level. Where is this special guest? Not in there. Oh my goodness. Who do we have here? That's right! It's me! Shunty Buddy! Shunty Buddy, where have you been? You left me outside! And forgot about me. I'm sorry about that, Shunty Buddy. How have you been doing? Well, I'm happy to be back on the channel again. And I don't know what else to say, but stay tuned, because there's going to be lots more of me to come in future videos. So, until then, I guess all I have to say is bye.